So today we are going to learn how to make $1,000 per month using Pintrest. Hi, my name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So welcome. So today we are going to learn how to make $1,000 per month using Pintrest. And this includes learning how to pick a profitable niche, how to find a high converting product, and how to correctly promote your chosen products. And the good news is that you don't need any money to start up with this process. And also this method is applicable worldwide. So my friends who are in Nigeria, my friends who are in US here, my friends who are in Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, this method is applicable worldwide. What you need to do is to concentrate, follow these steps slowly by slowly, and you will start seeing exponential growth in your Pintrest account. I started Pintrest account 2 years ago and I was struggling. I was working hard. I didn't got any result. That's why I did my research and tried to fix and apply some methods which right now my Pintrest account is taking traction. It's bringing some traffic into my Pintrest account. So if you follow these steps step by step, slowly by slowly, you pause this video and then you repeat, you will start seeing exponential growth, or you will start seeing gradual growth into your Pintrest account. So what is Pintrest? Pintrest is a certain type of search engine that people go on and type in certain keys or keywords. Now, Pintrest serves as Google, but when people searches on Pintrest, they get videos and images, which make it easy for affiliate marketing. Now, the requirement to start this Pintrest account is that you need to have a high-speed internet, a laptop, or your Android phone, or iOS phone, or any type of smartphone. Now, at the end of this video, you will learn some strategies on how to make money on this Pintrest from $0 to at least $1,000 per month. So those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is basically a business model where you promote someone else's product or services and earn a commission for every successful sale. And now you may ask me, Mose, why Pintrest? Why do we choose Pintrest? Now, we choose Pintrest because it has over 450 million monthly users. And this is why it remains the best free traffic method out there. Now, on this Pintrest, first, what we need to do is to choose a niche. A niche is a category that we shall be promoting our product from. So, choosing a right niche is necessary for affiliate marketing. Now, when you choose a niche that is visual appealing, because we shall be using these free stock images to promote our products on Pintrest. And at the beginning of this video, I said that Pintrest is a search engine that offers videos and images. Now, the next thing that we need to do is that we need to find a product to promote. And to do this, we need to sign up to affiliate marketing programs. And remember, there are tons of affiliate marketing networks that you can join in 2024. Now we have top affiliate programs that you can sign up depending on your niche. We have Amazon Affiliate, we have also ClickBank, we have Warrior Plus, we have Digistore, we have Monetized Deal. We have more affiliate programs that you can join here to start promoting these products on these affiliate networks. Now, the best thing with this affiliate program is that this affiliate program, once you have signed in, you can choose a product. And once you choose a product, they will generate a link. And that link, you shall be using it to promote that product on these affiliate networks. Now, the first thing that we want to do is that we need to open our Pintrest account. Now, to do this, we need to go to Pintrest.com. And the best thing with this Pintrest.com is that we shall be registering for free. There is no strings attached while opening an account on Pintrest. Now, after we are on Pinterest, we are going to open an account on a specific niche. So what we are going to do is that we are going to put in our first name and our last name. Remember, our last name should resemble to our keyword in which our niche is in. And this one helps to rank in this Pinterest search engine. I hope you have understand me. I'm saying that the last name that you need to put on your Pinterest account should resemble a keyword in your niche so that it will be easy to rank on this search engine. Now the next step that we are going to do is to write a bio. And this bio we are not going to write on our own. We are going to use ChatGPT to write for us a bio on a specific niche. For example, if we can take a home decor niche. Now after ChatGPT has written this article for us, we can copy it and then paste it into our Pinterest bio. Then we shall be optimizing our account. Then after account optimization, we can hit save changes. Now to create a logo, we can head on to Canva and then create a logo, a Pinterest logo on the type of niche that we are in. Now, after we have created our Pinterest logo, we can download it as a PNG file. Then we shall be uploading to our Pinterest account as a profile picture. Now to get started with this Pinterest account, you can go on to Pinterest trends in your specific niche and name some boards, because your board is likely to come out when people search for your niches, which in turns, when promoting affiliate, you might easily get sales once your board has been pushed by this Pinterest algorithm. Now you must save at least 5 to 10 Pinterest board so that it can be easily for you to know what is trending on this platform. Now the next thing that we shall be doing here is that we shall be starting to post on Pinterest, and you should post mostly idea pins, because these idea pins are likely to be pushed by Pinterest algorithm. So there are several ways in which you can add your affiliate links into Pinterest, which in turn will make people to click on your affiliate links. Now one of it is through link in your profile. This is where you direct people to the top products you are trying to promote, and once people click on that link and purchase that product, you will get commissions. So my lovely friends, I hope I have given you an insight on how to start Pinterest account. You know, for me, 2 years ago I started a Pinterest account, but I was blank. I didn't know what to do. I was expecting to get money from Pinterest account, but it took a while for me to see those results. What I'm encouraging you is that consistency and persistence is the key to success in any business, and also be patient. Success does not come within 1 week, 2 weeks. It takes some time. But if you become persistent, consistent on this platform, generally you will start by seeing $100 coming, $150, $200, $500, $1,000, and more. If you just stay consistent and follow these steps, simple steps that I've been telling you. Now the best thing is that when you set this Pinterest account, this is the best way to make passive income. Since once you set up your Pinterest account, you shall be seeing passive income every month. So my lovely friends, let me know in the comment section which country are you watching this video from. And also let me know in the comment section if you have any question or any suggestion or any video that you want me to do in the future. So my lovely friends, if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So it is your boy, it's your son, it's your brother, Moses Wamkota. God bless you from US here. Till the next time, bye.